This is a site called populationpyramids.net. So this is a population pyramid, really cool stuff here. What you have here is the population of the world in 2019, about almost 8 billion. And you can change the area, you can change the date here, and then it shows what percent of the current population in the world is what category here. So, for example, we have 4.5% of the world is a male between the ages of 0 and 4. I don't like that. It's between 0 and 5 probably. And then if you scroll over, it shows the actual number. And these numbers change as you move up. So what I find really cool is this is really neat. You can play around with this. You can change the years here. So you can go back in time. You can go forward in time based on predictions. So here is 1989. It was a much wider pyramid, which means that the percent of kids was higher than the percent of old people. And let's get back to 19. Oh, 19 here. And no, it's too far. Let's go back to. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Sorry, I'm going plus. Sorry. So there's 19. And we can click on Canada. So let's check Canada. So Canada, let's see. And Canada looks like this. So we have a lot more older people than younger people than the world in general. So the baby boomers are all here, and a lot of old people and a lot less. Young people as proportion, okay? And you can look at other countries around the world. So here's Cameroon here, which have a lot more young people than older people. Fertility rates are higher in Cameroon than they are in Canada. But also in Canada, you have a life expectancy that's longer. So your chance of reaching these levels here, the older ages here, are higher. So it's really neat stuff. You can mess around with that and look at all the different countries around the world. See which countries look a little bit different than others. So, for example, if you look at Canada, Canada will be pretty similar to, so there's Canada. If we go to the United States, it'll be pretty similar. Let's see, United States of America. Pretty similar, a little wider at the bottom in the States than we have. There's Tanzania, the United Kingdom. And the question I'm going to ask you, and there's the population. There's a couple of really strange ones, and here's one of them. So Qatar is going to host the World Cup. We talked about them a little bit in class. Host the Soccer World Cup, but take a look at this guy here. What's up with that? All right, so that's the question I want you to see if we can answer together in our discussion forum. See if we can make sense of why Qatar looks like that. Look at this. What's up with that? All right, actually, we'll talk about that in class, right? Not discussion forum. We'll talk about that in our meet on Thursday. All right, take care.